Guys, that was the Podo exhibit. What's in here? Vampire bats? Where are they?
You saw that?
Yeah.
It was scary.
Guys, there are vampire bats in here. There were some vampire bush babies. Oh wow, look at that thing.
Oh my god.
The other thing was how in the Columbus, remember, in the daylight.
I didn't expect it.
There's some bush babies back there and some flying foxes over here. That's a big thing. And some flying foxes up here. Where's? Yeah, greater bush babies, giant fur bats, and aardvarks. The aardvark.
It's freaky.
That's a big ass thing. Oh my god. Look at that mother. Oh yay. Where's the ocelot? I believe this is. Oh my god. I almost. That thing startled me.
Better be nice.
Now there's an ocelot. Wait, on tree branches it climbs, crouches behind a bush, eyes shine at night, learns how to hunt from its mother. On trees it leaves its scent mark, and terrestrial hunter. Ocelot.
That's good to know.
I like ocelots.
Come here. It's cute though.
I like ocelots. They're cute.
Hiya.
Yeah, I like ocelots. But when that thing walked past me, it startled me, so I like.
Is this coming out?
It is. Some of it is. I can. Yeah, I got the ocelot back there. A southern three-banded armadillo. A black-footed cat. Mom, did you see the black-footed cat back there?
Yeah, do you see the thing up there?
The fat cat is cute. There he is.
That's the
Yeah, there's a black-footed.
She has a snake out.
Dad,
That cat over there is
Dad, there's a black. Dad,
he's got the highest
there's a black-footed cat over there. Dad, are you listening? There's a black-footed cat over there.
the black cat.
showing it, look right here.
Videos of them attacking. It's insane. They're no brainers.
Python, different than the ball python. These guys tend to live more in.
Did you notice the caracal right here? A caracal.
It's so good.
Now there's a clouded leopard.
What Hanson?
Where's the clouded leopard? I don't see the clouded leopard in here.
No, it isn't literally.
Oh, it's up there. Do you see the clouded leopard up there?
Oh yeah, there it is.
A large spotted gannet. Mom, a large spotted gannet. Oh, what's this? A large spotted gannet.
Hello.
Mommy's and I can't get it on video.
Oh, it's right there.
There was a large spotted gannet right there, Mom. Oh my God, how did this one? There was a large. There's a large spotted gannet back there.
Oh, one is
And there's a fennec fox up there.
It's new. Say 2 hands, please. Help, please. Here, if you want.
No. There's a fennec fox.
Oh, fishing cat.
So she has these legs, our female fishing cat is healthy and fully recovered from unnecessary immunization.
There it is up there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Not for being lazy, huh?
Oh, a ringtail. A ringtail.
This is like Jackson, we're going.
Good luck finding the ringtail in here. So So we've came to Cat Canyon now. The first thing that we see is an exhibit for the unseen cougar. I don't see a cougar in here. Wait, but there is a sign here. They may be in the
Right there, dude.
Oh, where? The mountain lion?
Yeah, right there. You're right.
Better watch out.
I don't see it.
Right here, big dog.
Right here.
Oh, right there it is. Back there. It's big.
Oh, okay. Oh, shoot.
I hope the tigers are active. Dare to trend deep into the forest. I do. And we see Malayan tigers. Where are the tigers?
Where is it?
It may be over here. There it is down there.